Ambient lighting solutions offer a complete family of LED lighting and controls options for a wide variety of applications. Industrial and commercial properties are comprised of an extensive range of individual spaces that require a unique combination of luminaires and lighting controls to meet specific lighting needs. And whether you're lighting the complex environment of a manufacturing facility or the customer-centric experience at your local grocery store, the Metalux product line offers a complete family of innovative ambient LED solutions for your next project. Let's take a detailed look into a series of industrial and commercial properties where the Metalux LED lighting and control solutions can be applied. Warehouse and distribution centers require luminaires like the Metalux Steeler LED and HB LED that provide optimal vertical foot candles for proper illumination on high-racking systems, along with integrated occupancy and daylight dimming for maximum energy savings. Flexible lumen outputs and distributions can light both narrow aisles and large open spaces. Manufacturing facilities require quality, high-output lighting for improved production and workplace safety. The Metalux Steeler LED and HB LED with precision optics and various lumen packages can deliver the targeted foot candles required for improved visibility and safety. For more complex or extreme environments, the Ephesus Visium offers unparalleled design and performance. Food processing and cold storage facilities must meet strict federal and state regulations. The Metalux VT2 and VT4 are low bay and high bay vapor-tight, wet location luminaires that have been designed to withstand rigorous cleaning protocols and extreme temperatures. A combination of luminaires is required to properly light open gyms and low bay workout spaces within a multipurpose athletic center. The Metalux Steeler LED with dual occupancy and daylight dimming delivers exceptional energy savings while providing even distribution throughout the open play fields to minimize shadowing and maximize visibility. And the multiple lumen packages of the Linear Bay luminaire, along with its durable and low-profile housing, make it the ideal choice for this low bay application. Big box retail spaces require light distribution and lumen output similar to most high bay applications. However, in situations where a customer's experience must be maximized, the Metalux Steeler LED and Linear Bay luminaires provide optimal visual comfort while showcasing the merchandise within the space. Retail spaces with lower ceiling heights and higher architectural appeal require fixtures like the Metalux Skybar Series LED luminaire to provide the proper balance of form and function. Designed to elegantly fit within any retail environment, the Skybar can be installed as a continuous row to illuminate aisleways and shelves, or individually placed over stands to highlight the vibrant colors of the produce department. Innovative lighting solutions have a trusted reputation by providing a complete offering of versatile ambient LED luminaires designed with advanced optical performance, engineered for energy savings, and constructed to offer long-lasting durability.